I was having a conversation with one of my managers the other day, and they said that they were going to get our security engineers to take all of the alerts out of Wiz and put them into Google Sheets. And I said, we're absolutely not doing that. The interface in Wiz is so simple, it's stunning, like it's beautiful. All of the critical alerts are in there. It's got pretty graphs showing how those alerts could be exploited. It's got a big list of them that you can go through and tick them off one by one. I was like, why would you take this beautiful, simple to understand tool that I'm not a security expert. I can go through there and explain to anyone why we need to fix this problem, or if it is a problem, or if it's something by design. And some of our critical alerts were things like, there's an app that's on the internet, and I'm like, it kind of needs to be on the internet to work. We mark those as by design and it moves on, but it is a very beautiful interface, simple to use. And when we're trying to build AI at rapid pace, we need that tooling so that we can build things confidently and put them on the internet so that our customers can use them without taking on unnecessary risk. If you haven't seen Wiz, hit me up. It's so simple to set up and to use, and it's beautiful. Thanks.